bro.
Someone else drink
This is the bird's nest challenge.
Video before his funeral.
What is it?
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
in the back. Can I white fungus?
Viewer discretion advised. He might pass out after this. No, all good though. Dude, if you're gonna drink it, you're gonna become like a superhero, like that Spider-Man, dude.
What is this?
Drink it.
I don't got that much choice, bro. We just gotta just finish it.
Dude, this looks so disgusting. Oh my god.
Hey, give him a close-up. Give him a close-up, Alex. Look, there's like little white bubbles in there.
This
Ingredients consist of white fungus, bird saliva, and it's going in Alex's stomach. Let's go! Chug, chug, chug.
messed up. Why do I have to drink this?
Hey, I drink it too.
Did you
Yeah,
actually?
I drink it too. It's pretty good.
Alright, go.
Man, what is that?
You ready?
But it's bird saliva. We said it
I'm
already.
just gonna post this on YouTube.
Dude, I don't want to drink it though. No.
Too late now. You can't waste
Too
it.
late.
You asked for it, and now you're
got
getting
it.
Chug, chug, chug.
I gotta
chug,
post this on YouTube, man. Come on.
I'm already feeling sick from looking at it.
Look, okay, that was me at first too. We're just dealing with it.
I don't want to deal with it. Why do I have to deal with it?
Think
For
about the
what
story
reason?
though. When somebody asks, what's the most exotic thing you've eaten? You can say, you've had an indirect kiss with a bird. That's crazy.
That's pretty funny.
That's pretty crazy.
That's pretty funny.
I've drunken a bird's
Alright,
saliva.
just go for it, man.
I'm not gonna drink
Yeah,
all
there
of
you
it.
go. 3,
Three,
2.
two.
No, don't 3 to 1. Don't 3 to 1 me. Don't do that. I want-
Guys, the YouTube video is gonna be too long. The algorithm isn't gonna be there.
Hey, it's gonna be monetized at least.
Alright, well.
Hey, don't throw up.
For me, I can cut that down.
What is this?
20 minutes.
What is this whiskey sip?
That wasn't as bad as I thought. That wasn't as bad as I
Alright,
thought.
are we done?
Finish the rest.
Oh, I'm not gonna finish the rest.
Alright, you gotta drink all of it. You gotta you a shot all of it. If you take a shot, I'll respect you.
No, I don't want your respect. Did you drink
Alright.
a shot of it?
Yes! Yes!
Am I just done? Looking you right now.
Go! Go!
No, oh man, I'm gonna actually.
Chug, chug.
It's good for your body.
It's good for your libido.
It's gonna. Holy, I'm gonna puke if I do that.
Okay.
Come on.
I have to.
This video is already gonna be 10 minutes.
This guy stole.
Stalling, I don't want to drink that.
I'll feed it to you.
Yeah. I'll put it in my mouth. I'll drool in your mouth. It's like the real bird way.
Real bird spit.
Why did I pick this up again?
Alright.
Basically, the whole
Come on, Alex.
Alright.
first 20 seconds.
No, it's not even that gross.
Alright, let's do it. Rock, paper, scissors.
Still above
No, it's not even that gross though, and it doesn't even taste that gross. It's just the fact that I know it's bird spit makes me sick. That's just so disgusting. This is disgusting. I don't want to drink this.
This guy's a wussy.
I don't
This guy
care.
just died. This guy wouldn't make it on the streets. To be honest, this guy
bad.
wouldn't make it in Vietnam.
No, probably not.
This is a delicacy. We can't waste it.
And Dallas Casey.
You can't waste one
Amen.
one
Where
drop.
did you get this?
from the village.
It's
from
straight from the
hometown.
village. This is some
Who's out here
expensive.
canning bird spit though? That's crazy.
Hey, that's a good marketing idea though. I'm not even gonna lie.
workout, especially when you do like leg day and your legs.
I'm just gonna drink a cup
Wait,
while you
bird's
go.
nest.
Look at him. Look, this is a man of hair. This guy just casually taking a sip of it.
Fair enough, I guess. Now that you did that, I want it. Now that you did it, I have to do that.
It's like starting to go like
I hate you. This is so nasty. This is so nasty.
Go, go,
Chug,
chug, chug, chug,
Dad
chug,
like
chug.
wants that. He's like, yeah, that's
Why does it smell like that?
That's what I'm saying.
otherwise it's crazy.
It smells like Play-Doh, right? It smells like Play-Doh. Look, give him a walk. Give him a
Dude,
walk.
this does not smell like something you're supposed to drink.
Smell his drink.
No, it doesn't even smell bad. It just smells like Play-Doh. Yeah.
It smells like Play-Doh.
It
That's what I would
doesn't,
say.
it doesn't smell disgusting, but it smells like
Are you
something you're
done?
not supposed to eat.
Just
That's
finish
just
the
not
drink.
right.
Like smell the saliva.
Why is there chunks in here?
Oh, I know. I wish I could drink from the can because you can't see it.
It does smell like Play-Doh. What in the world? Hey, good
is
luck
this?
eating it. It's
All right, all right.
Chug, chug, chug.
Oh, that's
This is the last sip. Last sip.
Last sip.
It's just like a cough.
Okay, now that we
Cough
talked
medicine.
about it, I don't want to do that anymore. I pussied out again.
Stop smacking on that.
Oh man, this is so rough.
I was thinking about it. Alright, let's build your immunity.
To what? To other bird spit.
Yeah. Wait, can you get? STDs from this?
What?
Cause like sharing
No, I didn't even drink from
I
it.
hope
No,
they-
no, from a bird. Like you know, like you and a girl, you can have a baby. Isn't that the same thing?
Maybe. Maybe you're right.
Then why did I go? Like,
I don't
Am
want
I
to
even
get
gonna
it.
post this?
so that's just like wasting time. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you're not gonna
If I go,
You're not gonna post
if I
it.
go,
I'm gonna edit
Check
this
it.
part out.
damn, you know
Alright?
what? I would have rather been
Oh.
there, but I was over there and at least.
Just do it, Alex.
It just looks so gross.
Don't look at it.
Just don't look at it.
Look at this guy. Think about the birds
your
flying.
eyes.
The birds
And
soaring.
think about the bird
That can be
fitting
you.
into your mouth.
That can be you, Alex. Just look at God. Look, we fly.
I'm not feeling it right now, man.
We soar.
I'm not feeling it right now, man.
Wait, I messed up. I messed it up. See, this guy doesn't have to. See, what is this?
I'd want to be doing something.
What happened to your school spirit, Alex?
My bad.
You're supposed to finish my sentence. Look at this. Some fly.
We soar!
I don't know, man. I would do that normally. I'm just not in the mood
Alright,
anymore.
let's go.
Just go, just go.
It's just, I can't get over the smell.
Just don't smell. Think
don't
like
sniff
her.
it.
The Ellen Heller.
Helen Keller.
Helen
She
Keller.
has smell. She has good smells. She has good smell and good taste.
Okay, fine. Bad, my bad. Bad analogy.
I wish I had COVID. It's like, oh, this doesn't taste like anything.
Yeah, you should have taken a sip out and like, I can't taste anything. And just
Oh man.
But my stomach still looks.
Alright, go.
I made it this time. This is the real one. I'm not putting it down until I drink it.
Go.
It's not that gross. It's not that gross. It's not like he just drank it.
You're supposed to
coping, bro.
over-exaggerate
Just keep coping.
for the camera.
It's not that gross. It's not that gross.
That's gross. This guy is just wild. His taste buds are wild.
It's not that gross.
This guy just be.
It's not that gross. This is just not. This is normal. There's a ton of people that drink this.
Yeah, for sure.
No, it's like this thing.
Just one shot it.
My bad. I took a sniff. I smelled it. That's on me. That's on me.
Just close your nose. Close your nose.
Yeah.
Close your mouth and just stop breathing.
Maybe you're right, actually.
And just do it. Just go, Alex. Just do it.
Even though this is way
Picture the birds. Picture the sky. Picture the sky, Alex.
I'm not gonna.
Let's go.
Why are you still? Put your phone down. Put
We
your
gotta
phone down.
finish this with the challenge.
This guy's
Howard, you want to try some bird spit? Dude,
Wait, he has to finish first. He
No,
has to
actually,
finish
you
it.
gotta- you're- yeah, you
Go,
drink it.
chug, 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 chug.
You can see the
I
full
almost done it.
experience in 4K.
See,
All right.
let's go, Alex. Picture the
three,
sky.
two,